Hi guys, Home Business Expert here, Amy Hunt. Thanks for watching. What I'm going to talk about in this video is how you can find products to sell on Amazon. Now, I've talked about this before in other videos, but this video in particular is going to teach you how to sell t-shirts, how to find niches, what types of t-shirts to make, and all of the unknown is given up. It pinpoints and it tells you exactly what you can sell on Amazon and make a profit. So check out the rest of this video. I'm going to connect you to a software that's going to help you sell products on Amazon. Thanks for watching and see you on the other side. So the software that will help you find products to sell on Amazon is called Merch Informer. So obviously they sell merchandise, so stuff that you can wear, t-shirts, sweatshirts, that sort of thing. So basically you can come in here and you can sign up for free. If you don't mind using the link below in my description, I get a little referral. If you are someone who can refer other people, you can go to the affiliates and you can see if you can sign up and be an affiliate as well. So what is Merch Informer? It basically answers your question right here. It's basically software that finds niches in and on Amazon that are selling or maybe they're not selling. So if you have an idea for a product, you can check it here to see if it's worth doing. So let's say you have an idea. You have all these resources that you can use on Merch Informer. It will help you identify if your idea is going to sell on Amazon or not. So let's just take a look. I'm going to show you the back side of Merch Informer and log into my account. So this is what it looks like on the back side. What are you going to get? So you're going to have, a lot of times you get software and you just jump right in and you have no clue what to do and there's not really any tutorials. There might be like a help desk or a chat room, but this is beautiful. The first thing they take you to are videos on how to use their software. It is very clear and to the point. I'm just going to click one. They don't hem-haw around, they just go right into it. So you click on the videos, you watch through them. There are several, but they're not real long. So on this left side, these tabs, per se, are all the tools that relate to these videos. So if you're confused about what the competition checker is, you come down here to the competition checker. Beautifully, Keyword Finder, Keyword Cloud, and Listing Optimizer, in my mind, are the three most important things on here that will help you make your Amazon merchandise rank, and that's very important. I'm just going to show you a few of the things that are included. You have all kinds of graphics. There's the Merch Academy, which goes into more depth on how to create your product. Once you decide what you want to make, it's going to teach you how to make it. So there's all kind of graphic arts and graphic designs that you could do based on what you found that sells. So what is Merch by Amazon? This is Merch Academy 2.0, and it just takes you into some more informational, how to find a designer if you need one. You can kind of see there. Down here there's things on trademarks. You don't want to copyright or do something with trademark that you shouldn't do. The MI listers, Merch Informer Chrome extension, it could be Chrome, which helps you upload variations. And then the Merch Designer, once you learn how everything works, you go in here and you pick a product and you know in your mind what you kind of want, you can get started. You can do whatever products you think up or have found to be profitable through using your Merch Informer tabs over here. So then you go into your design. But this is just a real short overview of what this can be. I'm excited about it. You know, if you've watched other videos of mine, I tell you I use something before I actually share it. I have actually gone through a lot of the tutorials. It does take some time, but my goal for 2020 is to get into this software and then do some series on them. So look forward, if this is something that you like, this interests you, and you're not sure if it's for you, continue to look for my videos. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Make sure you enable the notifications, which is the little bell, so you can see when videos pop up about Merch Informer. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert. If you like my videos, please click the like button If you want to subscribe, there you go. There's my circle in the middle with my subscribe button. And if you want notifications, just click the notification button to get notified of the upcoming videos and my most recent videos. If you have any questions or comments, please just leave your question or comment below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching. Amy Hunt, Home Business Expert.